Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to present a PowerPoint presentation using your presenter notes. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up Zoom if you haven't already. After opening up Zoom guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can either create a new meeting, join a meeting, see your set schedule and so on. So guys, today we'll be creating a meeting and we will want to share our PowerPoint presentation where we have our presenter notes. And usually guys, if you share your screen, then everybody will be able to see all of your screens, what you're doing on your PC. But I'm going to be showing you how to present a PowerPoint presentation and be able to read your notes without other viewers seeing. So guys, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and create a new meeting right here by clicking new meeting. And now after we have successfully created a new meeting, we will want to go ahead and share our screen. So guys, go ahead and click this option right here called share screen in the lower bottom corner. Click on share screen guys, and now as you can see, here we have the option to share either our full screen of everything we are doing on our PC, or you can share specific screens of applications such as presentations. So guys, you do not want to share your full screen because this will enable people to see everything that you're doing. You want to go ahead and click on PowerPoint to share only your PowerPoint screen. So guys, go ahead and click on PowerPoint, click on share. And now guys, you can see currently we are sharing our PowerPoint presentation. Here you can see what your viewers are seeing, and you can see currently they are seeing only PowerPoint. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and start up our animation our slideshow by clicking on the slideshow option and then clicking from beginning. And guys, you can see now they are seeing our first slide is VR. So what we want to do to see our presenter notes is go ahead and click on the right click on our screen right here, click on the right screen and click show presenter view. And click on show presenter view guys, now you can see that they are still seeing only this big screen right here and only this screen, while you can see your next slide right here and your notes right here. So if you have notes and your next slide, as you can see, you can successfully read off of them while your viewers can only see your current screen right here. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.